Hi, nutrition counseling is such an interesting way to change people's behaviors because a lot of times people think I'm going to come up with a plan or a perfect resource to give you. And I just had someone in my office yesterday who just wanted me to give them a bunch of resources, and I had them. But when it came down to it, they were doing everything that they wanted to do anyway. But what actually was in their way was their environmental and social life. And so the conversation took a turn because it was like I was validating and affirming that they were doing everything that I would recommend. And they weren't gonna, I wasn't gonna outdo their research, but it was just a space to validate that there was this one thing that was creating a lot of stress, was contributing to cortisol levels, was contributing to blood glucose levels. And by removing this stressor, their health would most likely improve. And I'll see you in a couple weeks to see if that happened. So it was a fabulous nutrition counseling session, but actually had nothing to do with nutrition. And maybe that's your story too.